Can you teach me how to open this thing without using my hands?
Use your mouth.
And the challenge is to open it.
Open the banana. Who comes out looking well out of this?
Thanks.
Interesting. I'm going primal.
I think I might use my mouth. Oof, that's a starchy banana.
I shall put it to get out of cultist, that's me say.
Did she know?
Here's the money shot for you.
Upper four, upper crunch. There's your open banana. Right there.
Technically open?
Yeah, take a bite.
That's really good. A lot of skin in that one.